Here we have the Choquette Avocado with all the avocados on the tree right here. I think I counted probably like 20 at least, and they're all getting pretty big at this point. And here we go. You can see some of them right there. Once I get the harvest, then I'll trim it back. But Choquette is pretty good. So I got the Simmons, and then I've had the Catalina, and now I'm gonna be having the Choquette. And then after that, I'll have the Lula. So I always have something to harvest, and I have avocados for a good amount of the year. But looking forward to the Choquette right here. Here's a view from down below of my Choquette tree, and you know, I got up there, it has like 30 big avocados up there. They're getting really big, and there you go. After I get my harvest, then I'll go ahead and I'll trim it back, which I kind of do every year, but you'll still get a good harvest. I mean, 30 avocados at this time. I just had the Simmons avocado tree. Now I had the Catalina, which I think still has, I think, one more. And I have the Lula right here. You can see right there. Lula avocados, pretty much right now we're starting November, so they're pretty much ready, but they'll go all the way to February. So I always leave them. After I get the Choquettes, then I go with the Lulas. And there you go, it's got probably like 20 avocados up there too, or more. Pretty much all over the place up there. And then after I get that, I'm gonna trim it down. I'm trying to cut down the trees. I left the Glen mango tall here because I wanted to get a good harvest for this coming season, but after that, then I'm going to trim it down again. I always vary them like that. But when you have a home orchard, you need to, you get enough, you don't need to have like 500, avocados on the tree. It's like, you get 20, you're good. But you need the space so you can add other things, so you need to keep them small. So you have to play with it, you have to alternate, sometimes one year, then the next, and you miss out on one, but then you have the other one, and then once you get the other one, you cut that one, and then you have the other one from the year or two before that you're going to get the fruit again. So you have to just play with it so that you can have plenty of trees in your backyard. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update here on my avocado trees. Now, check this out, Gummy. Show everybody the Choquette avocado that we took off the tree. Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. Awesome.